connais wap crier, baby, mais faut Haïti moins poilé, Miami wap crité. Pas ouais qui j'en comment, l'amour ça poil dire. Ouvre pour me continuer, écris chaque fois.
What? Getting comfortable now. Bishop, how you like it?
It's great. And it came just in time for the winter.
Yeah, man, I love it. It's so much more smoother than a G-Wagon, you know what I'm saying?
I actually like it.
G-Wagon, this is a car I get driven in.
Yes, sir. So is this going?
Yep.
Declined.
In my book, okay?
Yeah, I'll go up and get it. The, which one? The Chase Amex?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right away.
Okay. This bad boy takes super. Yeah, this right here. And I drove the other one. This one right here knocks it out the box. Like you feel like you're driving the Ghost. That's how high it is.
This is dope.
This is crazy. This is what that is.
I remember 2 years ago when they announced it.
Uh-huh.
And I was like, I want that car.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, it was.
You want to? And another thing, like this feels superb, like a GV80. Don't forget a GV80. I was in that one in June.
The long side?
Not well. Yeah, there was
Right, Bishop called it frozen. We're gonna do a couple of minor things with Billy. So when I'm in Miami, Bishop, you can have it, bring it to Billy,
Okay.
and do what you gotta do to it.
That'll be on, I guess Saturday, right?
Yeah.
I'll drop off. I'm not working, but I'll come in to do it.
Frozen, okay?
That's nice, boss.
Maybe.
Really long,
Ah oui les long, baby li long.
t'es du long distance, l'en pas tap marché.
Ah oui les long, baby li long.
Koto tande l'amour, jambe de l'eau, baby, pas noyé.